जब हम किसी स्पोर्ट्स में अपने आप को कमिट करते हैं तो उसके डिसिप्लिन को बहुत मेंटेन करने की ज़रूरत है, जिसको अनुशासन बोलते हैं। आप सब लोग समझते हैं कि हर मैच का डिसिप्लिन, हर गेम का अलग अलग होता है, और उसके लिए कमिटमेंट के लिए फेयरनेस, ये नहीं कि मेरे लिए फेयरनेस है, दूसरे के लिए फेयरनेस नहीं है।
इनका सर काफ़ी मतलब क्रिकेट में अच्छी रुचि और बहुत ड्रीम रहा था। मैं चाहूँगा कि आदित्य खुद ही आपको बताए किस तरीके से यहाँ तक।
बताओ।
It's my honor to speak in front of you, and Salman sir, I would like to really appreciate that you gave me this golden opportunity to give my words in front of you. So I would like to start it from very basic.
बताओ।
Yeah, I was in GS Bajaj in second year when I got to know that MUIT is organizing the MPL tournament. So I was very keen to participate in this tournament. So I made my team because GL Bajaj has very little culture of sports. They are more focused towards the study or placements. So I just arranged my team anyhow, and I came here to play. And the environment, the surrounding, the fun, the experience they are having at that time in Maharshi University, that was really exceptional, and it pulls me, motivated me so hard that I completed my bachelor's in BBA, and I'm really keen to speak in front of. I really love to pursue my career in journalism. So it really made a very good combination that I could get cricket in MUIT along with masters in mass comm. So it made a very good blend for me, and to lead my future towards my cricket
God
and
bless.
my journalism.
God bless.
Thank you so much. So after leading GL Bajaj, I had very good relationship all the players except Salman sir is really kind of supporting. Arjun sir is the main point of contact here in MUIT. He really supports me each and every time whenever I feel low or sometime. So this thing keeps me really high, and I came here, I took admission, I played matches, and this was my first series here, and I think we performed really well, and we just got this trophy here. I'm just feeling blessed. I got the people like you and my teammates, and thank you so much all of you for being here. And
this happens when what he has said, Aditya. This happens when he owns you and you own him.
yes, sir. Yes, exactly.
Remember, every time when we select any faculty, and Sunil Mishra, who is our HR head, he makes it a point to bring that faculty to me first day, moment the faculty enters. And my advice is only one sentence: own up the university, university will own you. And this is what he has done. And remember, in life, the success mantra for all happiness is owning. First, you must own yourself. Thereafter, start the process of owning the expansion. The way you people have done it, you own the MUIT, and there we all are there. The process of expansion started through him. Now you have come to me. So this is what the owning makes, and the owning has the strength. When we talk of the unity is the strength, it is basis is owning only. When one owns oneself first and then owns others as well. And that is the secret of success in sports also.
सर MUIT के मेन दोनों प्लेयर ये बैठे हैं, साहिल और सत्यम, कैप्टन एंड वाइस कैप्टन।
वेरी गुड।
और इनका मतलब काफ़ी अच्छी इन्होंने टीम को आगे तक पहुंचाया सर। और 3 सीरीज से दोनों ही लगातार टीम को लीड कर रहे हैं। एक अच्छी लीडरशिप इन्होंने करी है। एक बार रनर अप रहे, एक बार विनर रहे, फिर देन आगे भी और ट्रॉफी इन हो गई। तो अच्छा इन दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन रहा है और अच्छी एक लीडरशिप।
वेरी गुड।
लोकेश ये नया बच्चा है, काफ़ी अच्छा है। और भी सर हैं, भास्कर वगैरह हैं, शोएब वगैरह, काफ़ी सब बच्चे। और मेनली ये है कि सर इन दोनों की वजह से उन्होंने अच्छी टीम एक बिल्ड की है
Good.
और ग्राउंड पे अच्छा इनका वो रहता है। और मेन तो सर अर्जुन सर हैं जिन्होंने
This MUIT has established a very strong base in this cricket figure sports base in this whole Noida or the Gautam Budh Nagar area. The other universities really talk about the organizing of this tournament because no one really fund this tournament the way Maharashtra University does. The way they organize the tournament, this is really fantastic and everyone talks about it.
खाते जाओ बेटे, खाते जाओ सब।
And I'm really thankful that you are also the part of this MUIT support system and thank you so much for it.
God bless.
आदित्य आगे इन फ्यूचर आपको 2 रोल अदा करने पड़ेंगे। क्रिकेट का तो करना ही पड़ेगा और उसको कवर करने का भी काम आपका ही होगा।
Sure, sir.
आपने लाइन ही वही चुनी है।